It's Monday, September 26th, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of market analysis here for Asian session tonight for Monday, September 26th, and then, a little bit of a, preview for London session and New York session. Obviously, we kind of want to analyze those as time is coming towards those events. So, just to jump it up here, so daily we had a ton of movement here, and then we ultimately formed or closed small bearish candles. So to be honest, I'm going to assume price is going to come down, make a lower wick of some sort, and then do some sort of retracement, start coming up back up to this 160 area. And the reason that I think this, honestly, is just because, traditionally when price, has big candles are getting bigger, big, and then we have a small candle, that typically means that price is starting, or volume is starting to die down in this direction. So bearish volume is starting to die down. So like I said, I think for tomorrow, we can probably anticipate some sort of low to be formed. Who knows how far it's going to come down. It could just be bearish as fuck, and who knows, but I think some sort of lower wick's going to be formed and then come up and create some bullish structure. And doesn't have to necessarily be any of those zones that I just, kind of bounced off of, just the direction that I think we should be trading. So looking at 4 hour here, we can see that we have a huge support here. Came up, formed a resistance, and it looks like, if this low is broken here, and then we can respect the high of the previous 4 hour candle here, we might be able to continue down. So that would be going towards a wick fill based on the daily instead of, a bullish candle. And that's why we got to tell a story based on all time frames, not just one time frame. So ultimately, as we come down here into 1 hour and 30 minute, we're actually just kind of stuck in a range here. So really nothing's going on with GJ until we either break above 154.729 or break below 153.889. So those are kind of the two zones that I'm looking for here. We're going to be looking for a break and close above, what's that, 154.729 for buys, and then we'll be looking for a break and close below, what's that, 153.885 for sells. So that's kind of what I'm gonna have my eye on. Me personally, I don't trade Asian session. I just like to draw up the charts here, just so I can kind of see how things are moving. But we have a nice big range here, 140 pips or so, then continuing up, 190, 340. I mean, the ranges are absolutely insane right now. So this volume has been fun. Even this range here, 28 pips. So even though it's, it looks small, it's actually not that small. It's definitely tradable. And going down, 146, 190, 200, and so on. So we should definitely be able to catch some sort of move, or you should be able to catch some sort of move if you're trading Asian session tonight. At the end of the day, stay safe, stay strong. Wait for a break and close above 154.729 for buys to continue up here, and then wait for a break and close below 153.885 for sells down here. And there's kind of two entry points. You can wait for the break and close and then take an impulse entry next. So for example, if it was buys, say we have a candle that closes like up here, we have the next candle that goes down and then comes up and continues up, you'd want to take the entry like as it breaks the previous high right here. So that's kind of like what you would want to be looking for there, for like an impulse, if that makes sense. I know I just kind of like scribbled on here, but with that being said, this is kind of my market analysis for today, September 26th, for Asian session, and kind of my outlook on what I think we should be seeing coming up here. So hope you got some value. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hop in my free Forex Telegram trading group. And I'd love to help you out, love to help you become a successful trader. So have a good night, stay safe, stay strong, and see you later. Peace.